up guys, I'm Hendo, and today I'm making the Cocktail of Love based on the Philter of Love from Dungeons & Dragons. Every month I'm making a different prop and cocktail based on a different potion from D&D. And since it's close to Valentine's Day, we're doing this love potion for our second one. This is going to be a Sangria based drink with a little bit of a floral twist. This video has 3 parts. First is research and design. I'll cover a little bit of the backstory on this potion, and I've recruited a couple friends to help me pick the perfect recipe. In part 2, I'll cover all of the ingredients as well as some potential alternatives. And in part 3, we'll get to actually mixing our cocktail. So let's get to it. The Philter of Love is an uncommon potion that makes you charmed by the first creature you see. For an hour, you can attack that creature, and it has advantage on checks against you. For an in-depth look at the effects and lore behind this potion, you can check out my prop build. But basically, it's a very sweet, rosy potion. D&D officially describes this potion as rose-colored with a little heart-shaped bubble. I think Sangria would be the best base for this love cocktail because it lends itself well to experimentation with different fruits and juices so that it tastes exactly the way that your true love would like. And to decide on that perfect combination, I'm going to recruit Super X Luigi and Heavenly Controller to help me.
Should we take a shot first, though?
I like your thought process.
Fine, give me this. Did you really pour yourself ice? Look at this. Really?
I got these glasses in Ecuador because the hotel had paper cups and ew.
I feel like it doesn't count as an Ecuadorian cup if you got it from a Target. That doesn't mean...
That's so true. Get the pineapple juice. What are you, Vanna White now?
What? I don't even know what you just said.
The girl from Wheel of Fortune.
I knew it was some white
She's the
people
one
shit.
Well, no, because we're going to keep trying different combinations.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Are you serious right now? But we have to taste it and see what we want to change. So, I feel like you can taste a lot of pineapple in it.
I don't taste like any alcohol.
Maybe that's the point. Sneak up on you.
Yeah. Don't drink all of it! He's gotta try it! What's wrong with you?
You're just like...
We're not in WeHo! I have to have a liver full of it if I'm gonna decide how it tastes.
Right though? It reminds me of jungle juice.
Yes, it does taste like jungle juice.
V8.
I feel like it has too much pineapple though.
I think we should add vodka.
You can't just add vodka to everything. Well, it's supposed to be sweet. It's a love potion.
I was fine with the levels of pineapple, so she's just being...
Okay, well, we're gonna try a different version. Should we put this in the thing?
I feel like it'll just like chunk up.
This is the mushed up raspberry.
I feel like a little bit of lemon vodka.
Stop trying to make the lemon vodka happen.
But the last...
Okay, what do you think of this one?
This is better.
It's better, right? But it's more like
It's more pineapple.
Ew!
Pineapple was like, bitch, I'm in this.
Yeah.
You have like an absurd amount of loyalty.
It's not that it's pineapple. No, I have no loyalty. I am loyal to no fruit. Now the drink just tastes like, it's just like watered down. I want this drink to violate my
This one
tongue.
tastes more like a Sunday morning of regret.
Oh yes, okay. That's like what you wash down your night of love with.
I'm trying to have Friday
after your one night stand.
Friday night regret.
I like Fratter Day better. Was that Friday and
I'm
Saturday
trying to have
combined?
Why don't we put all of our creations in one?
No, because we have to.
And then, see, that might be the best tasting
Were
one.
you born on a Fratter Day?
Yeah.
Oh Jesus! Get over there. Get those bro.
Oh.
Did you not? I'm pouring, bitch. Throws it. She's all of our familiars now. Really, all of that just to get to the couch? What did you just pour yourself? Did you just pour the Prosecco for yourself?
No.
It's beautiful. What year is this cranberry juice? Have you ever presented wine to somebody?
No.
You know where you do. Give me that. Oh yes. Would you like a little taste? Yes. Right?
Why you gotta hold it like that? You gotta flex. Like,
that's how they do it.
Oh
my god! I never even noticed if the waiter is flexing when they do that.
Yeah. Like especially if it's like a guy. It's like you want some wine.
It's so that they can read the bottle.
If you're a girl waiter, then you're like.
I don't think you shove the neck between your titties if you're a girl waiter.
Yo, they'd get my attention.
If I was
we have to go to Olive Garden later and ask for wine and see how it's done.
What did you just do?
What were you doing? Were you trying to drink it?
No.
Why is it bubbling?
I really don't think it just bubbled on its own now.
It did. What? Oh my god, what is wrong with this Prosecco?
What did you do? Olive Garden is classy because the napkins are cloth.
There are cloth napkins at like Chili's.
No, those are paper napkins for sure.
No.
You want to bet? Let's go later.
Chili's is paper. Like, I think I've been to Olive Garden one time, but like, yeah, Olive Garden is not classy.
No, wait,
No.
Olive Garden is ghetto. Isn't that just like a...
It is ghetto.
No, it's not. They have bottomless breadsticks. Nothing is
What is that?
classier.
Okay.
Bottomless.
Think about this.
Breadsticks.
What sounds less ghetto than bottomless breadsticks? Like a classy place, they wouldn't just give breadsticks away. They're
Rich
limited.
people do charity, so this is like their charity for the people.
They're probably 3D printing those out. This is better than the other one. It doesn't.
It's very refreshing.
It feels
right?
like, once again, it feels like the flavor's just like, what's good?
This is the best one so far.
I just got on the phone with Chili's.
Yo,
Their cloths
he
are not
said-
cloth.
He said, and I quote, "I just got off the phone with Chili's. Their napkins are not cloth." I win.
No, you don't
Olive
win.
Garden is classier. They have
How do
cloth
you win?
napkins. They have cloth napkins.
I don't know why you need to take a date to a restaurant. Just take them to your house.
You know.
I agree,
You're of
yeah.
a different time. No, guys.
Yeah.
Red Lobster. That's not a classy place.
How is... Wait. You think that lobster's less classy than unlimited breadsticks?
Yes, I do. What other version of this could we possibly do, though?
What have we not used yet?
We haven't used these raspberries.
Probably just like a thick...
No.
My Ecuadorians
Yo,
are
look at this.
I belong
This
up
one,
in this bitch.
this isn't the best tasting one, but this is the one gives me the love potion energy.
Vibes.
Try,
It's seductive
okay,
in a-
try
in a-
this first
in a-
before you take his side.
Oh, I actually do feel that way.
What'd I tell you?
Out of all of them, this gives me the most
I
like
knew
love
you'd know.
vibes. Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, like if you had like a love potion.
No,
you just,
wait,
like-
what's your move? It's, do you speak English? That was his move before.
Yeah, that was in
In a
Brazil.
foreign country. That's the best pickup line. Use that here.
I don't. That's not how it works on this kind of camera.
This isn't a beauty vlogging channel.
You know why they do that, right?
Why?
They do. He does it.
It's where to hold the focus of the camera.
He just thought it was a thing that they just do. He just thought it was a thing. I love how he did it, not knowing what it was.
But you knew that there was a time to do it.
What happened to the one? What happened to the one that we
Maybe you need to put orange juice in there.
I'm cutting you off. What's wrong with you two?
Oh, this is it.
It does taste more like feminine.
It's not even feminine. It's like
It's whispering. in
Where's your
your
phone? Where's your
it's
phone?
like
You're about to make out with the cup.
okay. This
It's
is like
Open your legs.
open your
This
legs.
is-
I'm not naming the drink that.
Let me give you sweet
Uh-huh.
watermelon kisses.
Yeah, just slurp me down. You know.
Yeah.
That's what I'll name it. Slurp me down. Somebody at the wedding today was talking about slinging bush, but he meant like because there were these little bush decorations, and I was like, dude, that's not what that phrase sounds like. Anthony, are you out there slinging bush or what?
I don't even know what that would mean. It just sounds wrong.
Do you want to try
Yeah.
them all again just in case?
Okay, let's do that.
It tastes introverted, like it doesn't.
It tastes introverted.
Yeah, like
This one, yeah, definitely a little bit horny with that one.
yeah. That was the one that was kind of horny, but the other one was like
Yeah.
super horny. Like
See, it's between this one and the watermelon one.
this one has no underwear on. That one is like too dirty. Like
Too dirty? Wait,
Yeah.
so do I have to make another one now?
No, it's this one.
where did the King's Cup drink go?
It's in here.
Oh.
But we're doing one more version
And
of
then
this.
you have to drink all the King's Cup
Wow.
in one chug. In one
I feel like that
chug.
was genuine Pikachu gasp on your face just now.
You were tinning.
See, I like this better. I think that's way better. It's a little like less intense on the watermelon.
This was meant to be a love potion, but through its life, it became something else.
Like what? It's
It's
fermented
like
now.
Zac Efron from High School Musical. You know, he was.
Give it to me now.
That's where you got him.
This one
Get the
tastes
fuck outta
like
here.
a girl with rich parents.
That's the more watermelon-y one. This is the less watermelon-y
Exactly.
one. So can we now swap Elixir of
Well, this is
Efron?
completely different. This is like your brother's basement.
Yeah.
Is that better or
Your
worse?
brother's basement, and you're kind of coaxed to go down there.
Give me both of these.
Well, this girl grew up in the suburbs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But she's a wild bitch.
She got a car on 16.
Yeah.
That one has so much watermelon
She
liqueur
wants to
in it.
make her parents angry.
Absolutely.
This is the King's Cup. Okay, cheers, guys. This is Sangria King's Cup.
Yeah. This tastes like she had her glory days, but now she's like 60.
This is the saggy titty drink.
Yeah.
It's-
Like you.
Like
What's your
your
Hendo
voice.
voice sound like, Luigi?
It's gonna be Russian.
Wait, here it comes.
Why do I sound like a creepy hag? What is that?
No.
Oh my god, I need new friends.
Hey, welcome to Hendo's How To.
I hate you so much. Thanks for hanging out and putting up with our bullshit, you especially.
Rude.
So after the stream, I actually decided that I wanted to change the liqueur. And I promise it's not just because I don't like watermelon liqueur. I wanted it to be a little more on theme with the prop build of this potion. So I picked up a pomegranate and a rose liqueur. The rose one actually tastes really unique, so I'm gonna go with that one since the pomegranate one was a little bit too sweet anyway. So now let's jump ahead to our ingredients. So now these are all of our ingredients. First is our peach schnapps. You'll only need a little bit because it's pretty sweet. A lot of sangria has some type of brandy as a base, and I'm gonna go with apricot. Apricot. I don't know if it's apricot or apricot. Brandy actually comes from a Dutch word that I can't really pronounce, but I think it's something like brandewijn. It basically means burned wine, so that should give you some idea of the taste. It's sweet, but in a much more subtle way. You can also pick an apple brandy or some other kind of brandy. This was just the cheapest one. Next, you'll need triple sec, and I already have Cointreau from the last video, but you don't have to go with this top shelf brand. You can definitely go with any kind of triple sec since you're only gonna use a half an ounce. And a very important ingredient in sangria is the red wine. Most sangria is made with a Merlot or a Cabernet Sauvignon, but I'm gonna go with this brand that I already trust and love, and it's a sweet red. To compensate for it already being sweet, I'm not gonna add as much juice as would be typical for a sangria recipe. Sangria is often topped with a little bit of Prosecco or champagne. You can actually get a small sized one for pretty cheap if you don't want to get a whole bottle. You're only using a little bit, so there's no need to get crazy with the brand. This one's from Target. I am gonna add a wee bit of pomegranate juice, especially because my potion recipe has pomegranate in it. Plus it's tasty. Even though as a kid I loved making pomegranate juice, I just don't want to be that messy as an adult, so I'm just getting the store-bought juice from concentrate. And I'm also gonna use this Rose Liqueur. This is gonna be what makes the cocktail really unique. Before you even take a sip of this drink, you're gonna smell that rosy aroma, and it's already gonna make you think of love. It's kind of wild, actually. For a garnish, you can go with some heart-shaped ice, or rose petals, or some little heart-shaped strawberries. And finally, you're gonna need a chilled glass, a mixer, and some ice. Let's get mixing! This drink doesn't require any preparation, so we can get straight to mixing. First, we'll need half an ounce of peach schnapps. Then it's 1 ounce of the apricot brandy. Then a half ounce of the Cointreau or triple sec. And next, an ounce of the pomegranate juice. Usually the Prosecco or champagne is just a splash at the end, but I'm a little bit type A and I want it to be specific, so I'm gonna go with an ounce. Next is the Rose Liqueur. I'm gonna add 1.5 ounces, but if you want it to be a little lighter on the taste and smell, you can just go with 1 ounce. And finally, you're gonna add your wine base. Now all I have to do is add some ice, shake it, and strain it into some cups. Whoa. Yeah, this is it. This is it. I have a few garnishing options, but I'm gonna start off by making my little heart-shaped strawberries. Oh my god, it's so cute. I didn't expect it to be cute. Aw. Well, love be like that sometimes. To chill my drink, I've decided to use some heart-shaped ice as a little homage to the heart-shaped bubble in the D&D potion. Someone also sent me these really cute heart mold sticks, so I'm gonna try that out too. Wow, that's so cool! If you don't want ice to melt and dilute your cocktail, you can also go with frozen fruit. And another super easy option for a garnish is just rose petals. Loves me not. Ta-da! We have a cute little drinkable rosy love potion. I hope you get to enjoy it with your party, or for Valentine's Day, or just with yourself, like me! If you want to see how I made my prop Philter of Love, you can go ahead and check out my prop build video. You can also see extra footage on my Patreon or social media. Next month I'll be making the potion of water breathing, but if you have any ideas for other potions or cocktails to try, just let me know down in the comments. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, please drink responsibly, and stay crafty!